Go ahead, push your luck, find out how much love the world can hold. Once upon a time I had control and reined my soul in tight. Well, the whole truth, it's like the story of a wave unfurled. But I held the evil of the world, so I stopped the tide, froze it up from inside, and it felt like a winter machine that you go through, and then you catch your breath and winter starts again, and everyone else is spring-bound. And when I chose to live, there was no joy, it's just a line I crossed. I wasn't worth the pain my death would cost, so I was not lost or found. And if I was to sleep, I knew my family had more truth to tell. So I traveled down a whispering well to know myself through them. Well, growing up, my mom had a room full of books and hid away in there. My father raging down a spiral stair till he found someone, most days his son. And sometimes I think my father too was a refugee. I know they tried to keep their pain from me, they could not see what it was for. But now I'm sleeping fine. Sometimes the truth is like a second chance. I am the daughter of a great romance, and they are the children of the war. Well, the sun rose with so many colors it nearly broke my heart. It worked me over like a work of art, and I was a part of all that. So go ahead, push your luck, say what it is you gotta say to me. We will push on into that mystery, and it'll push right back. And there are worse things than that, 'cause for every price and every penance that I could think of, it's better to have fallen in love than never to have fallen at all. 'Cause when you live in a world, well, it gets into who you thought you'd be. And now I laugh at how the world changed me. I think life chose me after all.
Please open the gate to allow them in on the rail. Class 44, Adult Western Pleasure, please come in the arena and find your place at the rail. Class 45, Youth Horsemanship, please be ready.
just gotta like pretend be like, yeah!
Hey Tyler, watch this. Is this spectacular or what? Whole crowd on the rail, right? Tyler, don't play. Huh?
Class number 44, Adult Western Pleasure, should be in the arena on the rail. The results for Class 43, Youth Western Pleasure, in first place is number 838, Top Gun's Funny Face, ridden by Jenna Grabeski. In second place, number 262, Deluxe Fascination, ridden by Kelsey Wildman, owned by Joe Wildman. In third place, number 135, Zippos Only, ridden by Emily Carson, owned by Robert Carson. In fourth place, number 330, I'm a Good Version, ridden by Allie Drew, owned by Lee Drew. And in fifth place, number 40, My Socks Are A-Flashin', ridden by Gabrielle Covert. Class number 44.